When you guys signed up, you should have got a piece of paper with your boat number on it. That is a very important piece of paper. If you get stopped out there on the lake and you do not have that number with you, they're going to make you dump your fish because of the lake limit. This is your exemption to have 5 fish, 13 inches. That's 5 fish, 13-inch mouth closed. So make sure you take good care of this piece of paper. Okay? Looks like we're going to have 2 flights. We'll have a draw here in just a little bit. So just to go over the rules, you guys know the lake rules. 35 miles an hour. Do not pass another boat on blast off till that boat in front of you pulls off to fish. It's 5 fish, 13-inch mouth closed. First flight will be at 3 o'clock. Second flight will be in at 3:15, and it looks like we're only going to have 2 flights. On this piece of paper also has my phone number and Ray Lairley's phone number, the tournament director. So if you have a problem, if you have an issue, call us. Cito's not on here, but that's okay.
You got it on speed dial though, right?
Yeah, I have Cito on speed dial if you need them. And I am a member now. 25-yard encroachment rule. Just have a little courtesy with the other guys fishing. Now there's another event going on out here while we're here. ZLF is also fishing out here, so show them the same courtesy. Just remember that just because we're in a tournament and somebody else is not, doesn't mean that they don't have the right to that water. Just be courteous to the other guys out there. Again, 5 fish, 13-inch mouth closed. We'll have a drive-by weigh-in. When you come off the ramp, you go out to the end of the parking lot and then come right back in front of us here. We will have, let us know what your boat number is. We'll weigh your fish. We'll ask you to take your fish and release them down on the finger docks. We'll have a guy down there. And guys, we had an issue a couple of tournaments ago where one guy did not want to take us down to the finger docks. You must take them down to the finger docks. We'll have a guy down there at the bottom of the finger docks with a net to check the fish, make sure they're needled, make sure they're good fish. Take care of your fish. If you catch fish today that need to be needled, needle them. Take care of your fish. If you have any kind of additive to put in your water, use it. These fish, the reason we're here today is because of those fish, so you really need to take care of them. Anybody have any questions? What's that? Elderberry, even though the buoys are down, you cannot go into Elderberry. That is off limits. Right? Point to point. What's that? No. Hang on. Yes.
Okay, guys. Off limits. Jet ski area. You can fish from the finger dock down to the big ball buoy along the riprap here. Off limits is from the finger dock to the first point at the west ramp. You may not cast over the buoy line at Elderberry Dam. Even if it's down, don't do it, please. Okay? That's pretty much all I'm going to make off limits, you guys, except for right at the main ramp. You can fish the point at the main ramp, but you can't go into the main ramp there and fish. They don't like that. Okay? First flight will weigh in 3 o'clock. Second flight will be 3:15. It looks like we'll do, hopefully if we get one more boat, we have 20 boats and we'll do 10 and 10. Just give us a minute. We'll calculate the numbers. We'll pull the number. We'll call it. We'll do boat inspection, and they're getting ready to launch the boat right now, maybe.
I think they already did.
Did they already? Okay, as soon as we pull the number, we'll launch. Yep, they just launched it.
Right.
Yeah. What? Yeah, don't cut across center point. You guys all heard that?
Right.
Why? First boat out. Boat 7. So first flight, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 3 o'clock weigh-in. Second flight, 16,
Good luck, Dave.
17, 18, 19, and 1 through 6. 3:15 weigh-in.
Make sure.
Make sure you guys get lined up on the south side of the finger docks. Try to find the boat number in front of you so that we can make a quick